like we're gonna hit some of the traffic on the way back down Reserve. I thought it would be more free-flowing this way. Oh well, we can try to find some non-ethanol gas. So I cheated just a little bit. Lane splitted that truck so I could get out of that traffic for a minute because I saw a Conoco up here. I think we can find a way through the Sportsman's Warehouse parking lot. It's okay to cheat once in a while. So as long as you're not hurting anybody. Here it is. Bingo. Now let's see if they have the fuel I want. Yep, they do. Well, here we are at the Conoco, and it's also a Magic Diamond Casino. And it's a town pump as well, just like in Hamilton. Got Roxy over there all gassed up. She took 1.5 gallons this time, so we really used some gas. Need a quick vape. That'll about do it. Time to hit the road. We got non-ethanol. Cool. Good times. She's all filled up, ready to rock. Had to get a vape, and look at my cool vape holder. It's the trigger. The bottom of the trigger. All right, let's rock and roll. All right, let's see if we can find the quickest way out of here. You want to take a bet on that road right there, or should we just go out the... Yeah, we're going to go out over here. I usually lose these bets, but it's fun to take them anyway. Alright, we're going to pull one of these. That guy was nice. So we're back on Reserve Street. We're gonna head back to Hamilton, down the valley. So I'm gonna take you again between Missoula and Lolo, which is some pretty good mountain twisties at 70 miles per hour. So again, you'll get to see for the second time in this either video or series of videos what the Smax 155 is capable of, which is kind of the point of this trip, really. The only thing I needed was a Best Buy, and of course, you know, they believe in that pandemic, so I couldn't get in. So yeah, that's it. That's my story. I'll quit talking. Let's rock and roll. The journey continues. Back to Highway 93. Gonna be headed south, which is actually called Brook Street here in Missoula. that time was actually easy because there was enough traffic to keep it about right under 65. But that's what the S-Max is capable of. No problem at all. Here we are in Lolo, Montana. I think I'm going to stop for another battery change once we hit Florence. But I gotta check the battery, grab the vape, see if we can find some shade. Here we are in Florence, Montana. A little shopping center here, right by the Conoco. There's Roxy ready to roll, right in front of this town pump. Just had a nice vape, changed the GoPro battery. We're ready to rock and roll again. Let's go. All right, let's make the trek all the way back down. I think we're gonna call it a day. Do more sightseeing another day. So let's head all the way back down to Hamilton from Florence, Montana. Go left here where the super one is, and that would cross us over to the east side highway, but I think we're just going to stay on the highway for now, either all the way to Corvallis or just all the way home, one or the other. We'll see. Alright, we're actually picking up a little bit of drizzle. skunk out.